So, I would say police car, Blake. You choose what I choose. That's great. There was only one I didn't choose. That's probably be beat up by, or something like that. I'm actually gonna see what this author actually did. No, wait, unfollow. I didn't mean author's profile. Taking a long time. Fuck the first thing I see is fuck the world. Really? Which Harridan character do you think would be the match for me? I don't even know who you are. I'm looking at these. Things I want to do before I die. Ooh, we have an Assassin's Creed. I don't study that much Assassin's Creed, but whatever. Okay, we're gonna have to search up Heavy Rains again. Let's see if we can actually... Let's see more. Okay, so the other one is, do you know your heavy rains? Hello, this is my second quiz. Please check out my uncarded 3 quiz. The quiz is about the characters, okay? Who is this? That is a picture of Ethan Mars. Gary Cosmo, holy shit. That's funny. Scott Shelby. You spell Norman. Ethan Jaden FBI. No, that is Ethan Mars. What are the names of his 2 sons? I know it's not John and Scotty because, you know, he doesn't have sons. I don't know. Sean and Jason. Haru, his 10-year... Oh, that's my headphones. How's his 10-year-old son died? How? He got stolen, he was an asshole, he got hit by a car. He drowned it. No, his other son would have drowned it. He was an asshole and got hit by a car. What happened to him and his wife, Grace? He was separated. In Heavy Rains, he found a box inside a locker. Inside the locker was 5 origami figures, a gun, and a phone. Name the 5 origami figures in order. He is a bear, butterfly, lizard, shark, and rat. On Trivia 3, or Trial 3, what did he have to do? What was Trial 3? No, kill the drug dealer was 4. Drive against traffic, that was 1. Drink the potion was the last one. I think that was the second. Yeah, that was the second one. So, cut off his finger must have been 3rd. Final question for him. What or who is the best thing he ever got in his life? What or who is the best thing he ever got? His son, Sean. Who is this? That bitch reporter at one of the endings. Grace Mars? No. That's Madison Page. What's her relationship status, story-wise? Let's see, in the beginning of the story, she was single. so she wouldn't. So she would be single. But then in the end, what happens if you choose kiss? They have that thing. Spoilers, what does she do to Dr. Death to kill him? Drill his heart out! Final question for her. What's the name of the CHPT she first appeared in? Sleepless Night. Who is this? That is my main man. No, it's not John Shepard. I literally read that off the back. That is Norman Jayden from the FBI. He has best in glasses. What is it called? Airy. He has a drug problem. What is it called? Tripocaine. Weed. Weed. That's funny. That's Ethan's one. What does he hate the most? Hint, he's also a cop. Jason. At first my eyes lay on his Jason. That's a fucking asshole, Blake. No offense, but he is an asshole. Last question for him. Sorry if this question offend you. Who's that black guy in front at the junkyard? Don't take the drugs. That was a Mad Dog. I don't even know who those three people are. I don't even know how to pronounce them. I'm sure it was Mad Jack. Who is this? Scott Shelby. Past this question is a huge player to the game. Who is his sidekick? Lauren Winter. I love that name. What did he do when he found out the father passed his trial? I don't remember that. What did he do when he found out the father passed his trial? He burnt all the clues. Final question for him. For spoilers' sakes, what did he do to stop the robber? He hit him with a beer bottle. Who said what? No one's gonna stop me from saving my son. That was definitely Ethan. Who said what? Fucking asshole! It was said 2 times in the game, but who originally said it? Carter Blake. Who said what? My lips, watch my lips, asshole, because I